Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. In today's video, we are going to see what is the top 3 picks for the month of February. So let us see what are those stocks. So alright guys, the first pick of this month will be McLeod Russell, India. And so what I'm looking at is, see, the script has moved from 1 rupees, almost 2 rupees, to 45 rupees. It was a huge momentum for the script. And as you can see, what I can see from this chart is recently it has taken a clear support and it has formed a clear double bottom over here. And this area was acting as a very strong level of support. So as you can see from here, this was acting as a very strong level of support. And this was acting as a very strong level of resistance as well. So all those areas were acting as a support and a resistance. Now what has happened is the same support has been taken over here. The market went and came back to this support, and after breaking the resistance, it has taken the support at the previous no broken resistance as well. And now, as far as the market is concerned, now this area is acting as a very strong level of resistance as well. So my suggestion is, from this market, you can just look around it that it's going in a pure sideways momentum. And after hitting the resistance, now it has come back to support. So my suggestion is, if the market is able to break and close about 35 rupees, that will be a very a safe level to trade. So once the market is able to break and close about 35 rupees, that will be the safest trading point over here for McLeod Russell. And the targets, what I'm expecting is around. So in case if you take this as a double bottom, if the market is able to close above the neckline, we can expect a target of yeah, the targets are also almost around 68 rupees. So that's a very good trading setup, since the trading entry point will be around 35 rupees and the target is near about 70. So that gives us almost 90 to 100 percentage of return on investment. So that is this will I think this will be a very good trading setup, and take this trade only if the market is able to close above 35 rupees in the weekly chart. All right, so that is my first viewpoint. And the next script, it's going to be Radio City, that is music broadcast. So in the script, it has, after a huge fall in the script, now it started to slowly rise. And now recently it has taken a strong level of support over here, as you can see from the chart. Now this area was acting as a resistance, and this was acting as a support, and this area now recently it has been acting as a support. And what I can see is, now after taking a support at here, now the market has gone to a sideways at this level around 26 rupees. So my suggestion is, since this is also in a sideways momentum, it is better to go for a buy once the market is able to break and close about 26. Even if it comes around 23 again, it's not a big surprise, since it is in a sideways market. So once the market breaks about 26 rupees, we can expect a huge momentum in music broadcast as well. So the target which I'm expecting for music broadcast will be around so it will be around 35 rupees, and the second targets will be around that is around 42 rupees. So the overall return on investments will be like around 70%. So I think that is a very good return on investment if the market goes in the right way, and if the market is able to close about 26 rupees. I think this will be a very good trade to go in for, and use your proper discretion as well. All right, so the next third one will be Z Media Corp. So Z Media Corp, a few years back we gave this trend, and it was in a symmetrical triangle pattern, and you can see the market broke the pattern and it went and gave us the targets. But now after a long time, it has again broken the previous line of resistance, and it is going very strong. And now the market has taken a strong level of support here, and I want to show you the magic of Fibonacci. That is why I prefer Fibonacci than more than any other tools. This is one of the greatest trading methods which we can use. So Fibonacci, see this. So the previous swing of this was around 60% retracement, and the market took a support at 60% retracement. And again, the next swing came in. So as you can see, even this has given a retracement of 60%. And the recent swing, as you can see from here, this was also a perfect 61.8% retracement. So that is why I tell you that is a magical number of Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is one of the greatest tool that you can know ever come across. So my suggestion is, in the current market scenario, I won't recommend to go for a buy aggressively now. And what I'm seeing is, if the market is able to come and touch the trend line again, and since we have seen already 3 to 4 times the market has taken a retracement at 61.8% retracement, so why not another time? So if the market is able to come at 61.8% next time and hit the trend line as well, and this trend line hold strong, so then we can go for a buy. I think that will be a very good a trade setup. So once the market reaches 61.8, then we can go for a buy. And I'm looking for a long-term investment purpose for Z Media Corp, and we may expect a huge momentum in the coming days. But the thing is, in case if you're on a very aggressive trader, you don't want to wait for 60% retracement, you can always go for a buy. And then if the market comes for a conservative moment at 61, you can always go for a averaging as well. So use your proper risk management and discretion, and uh, try to do your researches as well. And once you're satisfied with the analysis, then you can go for a buy in all the scripts which I've suggested. All right. So, all right, guys, this is the top 3 picks for this month. And in case if you're going to invest in this, I always used to say, when you're going for a penny stock, it is always better to invest whatever the profits you made. From that, try to take a little bit of portion and invest in penny stocks. So that is my advice for every traders. And use proper risk and money management, and as well as that, use your proper analysis as well when you're going to take a trade. So use your discretion, and once you finally see this as a good opportunity, you're most welcome to take these trades. All right. And in case if you want to analyze like this, and you want to take a trades, as we are trying using technical analysis, we at Trade Achievers, we teach people on how to take trades, and which is the entry, and where, how to take an entry, and why we are taking an entry, and then where to place our stop loss, and where to keep our take profits. All those things we used to teach people. In case if you want to join those things, we do have our classes every Monday. There is a new batch has been enrolled. So in case if you want to join, please do call us on the number given below. They'll give you all the details. So Chennai, Coimbatore, and Bangalore, we have branches. And then in case if you want to, if you're an office goer, you want for our weekend classes, we do have our weekend classes on every Saturdays as well. And if you're not able to come for both the branches and for the weekend classes, we do have our online classes. You can always opt for that as well. All right, so I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.